Hello guys, I've got the Sonic 30th anniversary Seiko watch. So this is a limited edition from Seiko to celebrate 30th anniversary of Sonic. So let's get into it. So I actually can't wait to have a look at this watch. There's not much videos of it as well, so I'm gonna quickly show you guys. So first of all, the box looking nice, like the Sonic blue. Yeah, Seiko 35th anniversary Sonic. So let's get into it. Let's see. First of all, look at that nice gold emblem there, 30th anniversary. So we'll look at the watch in a minute. So what do you get? So you get the instructions, protection, little post, like a little card here, Sonic Seiko, extra links here. So it's a medium and it's extra links, so if you need it. So let's quickly put this back. Let's have a look at the watch. Put that one side. So here's the watch. It's very nice. Looks very nice actually. Stainless steel. The amazing thing is the inside. It's very shiny and the deep blue looks very good. And the green as well. If you can see, let me try zooming. If you can see the green, it would be quite hard. Let's try focus it. It's got little squares. It looks like the grass in Sonic. You can see that. Very nice. And then there's a little Sonic there. And then if you look at the numbers as well, it's like the rings. And there's the star. Very nice. Put some light. There we go. It's quite hard to focus, but I'm trying. So have a look at that. See how shiny the blue is. Very nice. Let's put more light. But yeah, it's very. So there you go. Say Seiko. Look at that, guys. It looks very nice. You see Sonic there. Trying to go closer just so you can see the detail. But look at the star as well at the bottom. Very nice watch. Look like that, yeah. Looks like some little bit like a Rolex, a little bit in the design, but yeah, it's nice. But yeah, these are ultra rare. These are proper limited, and the only place you can actually get them is Japan, or if you can order them if you're lucky. But you see, it's like the ocean as well, blue. But yeah, hope you liked the video, guys. Like and subscribe. But yeah, this is the Seiko 30th anniversary Sonic watch. Thanks for watching.